Hi, I'm Steve LaFrance, and here's our update through August. Markets continued to climb last month, with the S&P gaining 2.1%, bringing its year-to-date return to 10.7%. But beneath the surface, we saw meaningful shifts in style, sector, and size, alongside a major pivot in Fed expectations. Large cap value led with a 3.2% gain, while growth trailed at 1.2%. International outperformed again, boosted by a weaker dollar. Developed markets rose 4.5% and emerging markets added 2.7%, bringing their respective 2025 year-to-date returns both over 20%. Bonds rallied as Treasury yields declined. The U.S. Ag returned 1.2%, with corporate bonds modestly trailing. The big story: the Fed is now widely expected to cut rates at its September 17th meeting. The CME Fed Watch tool shows a 92% probability of a 25 basis point cut and an 8% probability of a 50 basis point cut. Just 1 week ago, markets still saw a 13% chance of no change at all, and that has now dropped to zero. Traders are even beginning to price in multiple cuts before year end. So why the pivot? Inflation is cooling. The latest CPI and core CPI readings show steady deceleration across both headline and underlying components. Meanwhile, the recent employment reports showed a slight uptick in joblessness and decrease in job openings relative to job seekers, which reinforces the view that the labor market is softening after years of tightness, giving the Fed room to ease. Small caps surged in August, with the Russell 2000 jumping over 7%, its best month this year and biggest outperformance versus large caps since late 24. After years of trailing, small caps are attracting attention again thanks to lower rate expectations and historically wide valuation discounts. Whether this rotation sticks will depend on upcoming inflation and labor data. So what does this all mean for you? Markets are responding to shifting macro signals, rate expectations, earnings surprises, and global currency moves. But the core message remains: stay disciplined. Diversification, quality, and long-term focus are your best tools in a noisy environment. Your plan is built for more than just 1 month's headlines. So thanks again for your trust and confidence.